Let's go to our project again. In here, if you guys have noticed, whenever I type something wrong, for example, let's add some wrong data in here and here as well. So whenever I click submit button, I get the validation error, but all my inputs are getting empty. I want to show my old data. So for that, I have to go to my inside my Laravel project and inside my add.blade. Then in here for each of my input, I have to type value is equal to old and the field name. So in this case, name. So in here we will type name. Now let's copy this and paste it in all of the input fields and change this to now for the checkbox. Instead of default check, I will type here old gender is equal to m, then check else empty string. Now let's do same thing for the f or female as well. So let's add it here and change this m to f, and let's copy this for our score as well. Okay, everything is set. Now let's go refresh. Now let's add some fake data here. Let's add the gender wrong age and gender f. Score is also wrong. Now let's click submit. Now I got my validation message, and also all the input fields have their old value. So this is how we can fix this by just typing old in the value attribute